Hi folks, welcome back to the channel. Well, a couple of videos ago I cleaned the Caravan and I showed you a few tips, but I've got another little problem. I don't know if you can see, it's a bit difficult with the sunlight today, but this is nice and shiny and the actual gas locker itself has gone dull. Now, a lot of people tend to try and polish this, and to be fair, sometimes you can get a result on it, but I've got something better that brings this up like new. So I'm going to be showing you that in today's video. So let's take a look at what we need first of all. So this is the items that we're going to use to bring the gel coat back of our gas locker. We've got a battery operated drill, we've got a few microfiber towels, a brush, and next to that is some carnauba wax and the main ingredient itself, which is going to restore our gel coat, and that is the Au Naturel gel and surface restorer. And this is mainly for marine products, but also it works really well on caravans because it's made of the same thing, which is GRP. So I'm going to show you how to use the actual Au Naturel gel coat surface restorer now. Right, before we start, what we're going to do first of all is we're going to make sure that this is nice and clean and dry and free from dust before we put the application on. Now I'm going to be using a brush because I find it more effective than a cloth, and it does say either cloth or brush, but I like to use a brush. So I've not actually got a pot with me, unfortunately, so I'm having to apply it to the brush direct. And what I'm going to do, I'm just going to paint it on. I'm going to do a small area, that's what it recommends at first. So we're just going to do this area here. Now it doesn't say whether you can do circles or lines, whatever. I'm just painting it on. This brush is losing some of its bristles. I think it's time it goes in the bin. So we've just done that section there. I'm going to do up here as well, so we've got it nice and even. And I've just put a thin coat on, that's all. So it recommends that what you do now is you leave this for a good 10 minutes, which is what we're going to do. So I've left it just over 10 minutes now, and I'm going to take my wool pad on the drill and I'm just going to lightly polish it. Okay, so I hope you can see this on camera, but it's as clear as night and day to me, and it's actually absorbed really well. I'm really pleased with that. Now just doing a final buff with the actual microfiber cloth. So what I'm going to do off camera now, I'm going to do the whole of it. It does recommend you doing it in sections like I'm doing, so I'm going to do a section here and then another section and then obviously the end corner as well. And we should have a nice result when we're finished. So I'll come back to you in a bit. Well folks, the actual gel coat surface is quite dull still, and it's still quite, if you feel it, it's quite dull and difficult to actually rub on, which is not a problem, it just means it's not quite dry yet. I believe this side now is the same, yeah, it is. So what we need to do is leave it for a little bit longer and then take our drill and we need to polish this up. I can already see that there's a significant difference between how I started and where we're at now. So all in all, I think this is going to turn out really well. Okay, so it's now starting to go smooth now, and it's not tacky to the touch. So what we're going to do now is we're going to buff it up. Now I've took the wool pad off and I'm going to actually stick it to a microfiber cloth like so, and we're going to give it a whirl. Now remember to keep alternating where the actual cloth is so that you don't keep polishing in the same place. So I'm going to get on with this and I'll speak to you in a minute. Well folks, I've got this to a standard where I'm happy. It's quite shiny and it also matches in with the rest of the body shell now, and I'm really pleased. I even managed to buff up the grab handles because they were a bit dull as well. But I do have a confession to make. As well as using the drill with the wool pad on, I remembered that I had this in the trailer, and this makes it a lot quicker and easier. So if you can borrow one, or you wish to purchase one yourself, get one, or a mop. The professional mop's a bit better than this actually, but it has brought it up to a standard where I'm happy. I'll have to come back tomorrow. Like I say, I need to leave it at least 24 hours to soak and settle in, and then I'm going to polish it. I like to use Canuba wax polish. It does a good job on it. Well, thank you very much for watching. I do hope you'll join us again real soon. But in the meantime, before I go, I will leave a link below to the actual product that I've used. Bye for now.